अच्छा आपको नाराजगी करेंगे बिल्कुल राइट है यही है ना I am very very excited, and every time whenever you come to such event, it's so great to see new set of talents coming all over. And मुझे लगता है कि बहुत ही amazing set of platform है because कई बार जब हम talent के बारे में बात करते हैं तो वो छुपा हुआ रह जाता है. So these events like these ये एक अच्छा platform देते हैं सबको to enhance, to groom. So I am very very excited and all the very best. मतलब मैंने यही बताया कि ये बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं जब आप अपनी लाइफ में पहली बार स्टेज पे जाते हैं, पहली बार ऑडियंस को देखते हैं, तो आपका जो कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल है और कहीं ना कहीं आपका जो टैलेंट है वो हमेशा इन्हांस होता है. तो इट इज़ अ वेरी वेरी ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी. एंड जैसे भी जितना जो भी न्यू टैलेंट है वो सबकी नज़रों में आ जाने वाला है. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू सी ऑल द न्यू टैलेंट्स आउट देयर. थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू. नाराज तो हुए नहीं हुए ना आप?
I'm extremely happy to be here at OMG Season 3, and I have done their official swimwear photo shoot. So I had a great experience. I think the contestants were very promising, and I think the entire team of Blank Canvas and Parimal have done a very good job. So it's really exciting. Well, apart from this, I'm currently just working on shoots, and I'm just creating my own content. I think the contestants were very good, and I wish them all the best. And I really hope that they make it to wherever they wish to be, and all the best to them.
Okay, there are two questions. Hi, I am 23. How are you? How are you? I thought that's a odd question. No, I'm great. I'm having a great time. This well, it's really great to be on the other side of the table because I've been there. I know the pressure, but these kids, they were all so amazing. They were all so great. They got the best fashion, the best personality, and I think everyone stood out. It was a hard decision for all of us to make because everyone was so stunning, so eloquent. But at the end, the best won, and I think I had a great time looking at all of them. It's a journey that I witnessed, the journey that I lived. I think it's definitely very difficult judging because everyone's really, really great out there. Everyone's putting their best foot forward. And you can't be too hard on them. I have been through that. So it's very hard being hard on them. This is not end of the world. There are so many more things coming your way. Like this is a journey. A door closes, a door opens. So keep thriving. Keep your heads high up. And I know you're gonna make everyone, and but most importantly yourself proud. Well, sure thing. I think there are some announcements coming your way soon. Hopefully this year. So yeah. Thank you so much.
Well, that was a fantastic event. I really liked being a part of it. The competition gets very tough because every other contestant were so much prepared. They were from different parts of the country, and they were having their own essence. So it was getting difficult because I personally loved answers of everyone because they were distinctive, but purely coming from their heart. So something I really love. Well, I think what it reminded me a lot about my journey because even I started my pageant something like that, walking on the stage, and it made me remember how vulnerable we are for the first time or the second time when we face the stage. So it reminded me back to the days when I used to be a contestant. Yeah, thank you so much.
इवेंट में कोई थी नहीं मैं लास्ट ओके आई एम पार्ट ऑफ इट या हेलो okay hello good evening I'm Jayanti Balal from Mysore founder of Mysore Fashion Week. I said the OMG fresh face is getting better and better every year. Last season also had come. Season 2 पे भी आई थी मैं. बहुत अच्छा था, very well organized and इस time पे तो OTT platform पे भी है. So it's a very good opportunity for the freshers so that they can watch themselves and like to betterment and the growth of the property. Yes, I was. Of course, there's a lot of improvement, and the jury, including the jury, the guest, everything is different, and it's very well done, classy done. You can say the pageants which happening on the national platform, it's happening that way. It's very good, and the 3 days, whatever the hard work they put in, it shows on the stage how they work. Thank you. Thank you.
We have been associates since 5 years with Parimal, and he's doing an amazing job. So, a lot of good luck and best wishes to all the team members, Parimal, everyone, and I wish a lot of luck to them. Thank you.
Sorry? No, I was not able to hear you. Silence! 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 Silence!
सर आज के इवेंट के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे OMG सीजन 3 के बारे में बात करें?
So great. Firstly, welcome to this beautiful property, the resort. And we've been the sponsors for OMG for the last 2 years, and we've been having an amazing time. This year, it is definitely leveled up as compared to the last year, and we had a ball of a time. It's good to see talent coming across the country, and brilliant talent, and it was an amazing show. Great, thank you.
कौन बोलेगा?
Silence! Grand success of India, first digital talent first out calculation. That define yourself.
Hi, my name is Bhaskar Saikia and I'm from Guwahati, Assam. And I'm feeling very happy right now winning this title of Strix Professional Hairstyle Icon. Here I want to thank OMG and Strix Professional for giving us this platform to showcase our skill and to showcase our individual style and our identity as a artist. Thank you so very much, Strix and OMG.
First, madam, you are feeling any message?
Yeah, it's a awesome feeling I can't express in words. I'm feeling extremely. I am in seven heaven right now, and with this trophy, I am getting motivation. I am motivated now to work more harder and more good work on my way. Thank you.
Then define yourself. Silence, please. Silence. Define yourself.
Hi, my name is Priyanka Sina from Kolkata. So I'm very happy. I'm very happy. I never explained my emotion, my everything. I'm so happy. बस एक ही बात बोलूँगी और ज़्यादा बेटर काम करना है और ज़्यादा ट्रॉफी मतलब घर पे लेके जाना है और थैंक यू सो मच स्ट्रिक्स प्रोफेशनल एंड OMG सीजन 3 इस परफॉर्म मतलब इस प्लेटफॉर्म देने के लिए थैंक यू सो मच।
इस विनर का क्रेडिट किसे देना चाहिए आपको जो achievement है?
ये विनर का जो क्रेडिट है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो मेरा मेंटोर है तो मतलब जो मेरा मेंटोर है जिसके पास से मैं सीख के आज इधर खड़ी हूँ मतलब सुमित देवनाथ उसको मैं देना चाहती हूँ एंड सेकेंड स्ट्रिक्स प्रोफेशनल एंड OMG फेस ऑफ द ईयर सीजन 3 इन लोगों को मतलब इन लोगों को देना चाहती हूँ कि थैंक यू सो मच मुझे इधर मतलब लेके आने के लिए थैंक यू सो मच।
So hi, my name is Rumiz Garge. I am from Vadodara, Gujarat. बहुत अच्छा फील कर रहा हूँ मैं ये ट्रॉफी जीतने के बाद थैंक्स बोलना चाहूँगा OMG फेस ऑफ द ईयर को एंड स्ट्रिक्स प्रोफेशनल को जिन्होंने ये मौका दिया इस प्लेटफॉर्म में परफॉर्म करने का। थैंक यू सो मच।
Only me and no. Call the Jovina. Come. Call Shireen. Shireen, come. Come this side.
You guys,
I do last.
Hi, I'm Kanagi Desai, the beauty editor of Elle India, and my experience was fantastic. I think we need a platform like this for hairstylists, for people with skill, and to showcase their skill, and these are the people who are giving you the confidence in your steps, so it only makes sense to motivate them.
I am Shireen Merchant, Technical Ambassador with Streaks Professional, and as I would second what she said, that it's a great platform. I think also for the Hairstyle Icon Award that we had from the Streaks Professional along with the FOI, both put together was a great experience. I've always been a judge judging hair contestants. So this time being a judge for a beauty pageant was quite an amazing experience and a platform for me also. So I really enjoyed my journey. That's great.
Hi, I'm Rochelle Chabra, head of Streets Professional, and I am really happy that this event has turned out the way it has. Uh, this has always been our endeavor. Education has always been something that we look at. We want to we need the talent that is there, the raw talent that is there in all the pan India, and this is just an effort, a very small effort from our side as Streets Professional to give this platform to the talent that is there pan India. Thank you.
2020 की साल में हमने ये OMG फेस ऑफ द ईयर सीजन 1 शुरू किया था। जब लॉकडाउन में लोग घर पे थे तब हमने यही सोचा कि हम इसको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी कैसे बनाएं उन लोगों के लिए जो दुनिया के कोने में बैठे हैं बट मुंबई आने का एक सपना देखते हैं। इसी थॉट प्रोसेस से हमने शुरू किया OMG फेस ऑफ द ईयर सीजन 1। देखते ही देखते ये सीजन 2 साल में इतना बड़ा हो गया कि हजारों की तादाद में लोगों ने अप्लाई किया, हजारों की तादाद में लोगों ने हमें अप्रोच करके वो दे वांटेड टू ट्राई टू बी आवर OMG फेस ऑफ द ईयर टैलेंट्स, और उन्हीं में से हर साल हम 10 लड़के और 10 लड़कियों को लेते हैं और उसके साथ हम ये टैलेंट कॉन्टेस्ट करते हैं और उनको उनमें से एक विनर और 2 रनर अप्स चुनते हैं। It's a great journey of everybody to see how well they do their talents, how well they come up, how well they do their competition, and make India proud that we really are an IP where we say that it's not just about a height or a body like a pageantry. It's inclusive of everything. It's more important that you be the brand face. It's more important to be the person who you are. That's the reason OMG Face of the Year is really successful. Jury has always been very important to me. They have to be from the different walks of life. और इसीलिए इस साल भी हमने अलग अलग जूरी को अलग अलग क्षेत्र से बुलाएं, अलग अलग टैलेंट इंडस्ट्री से बुलाएं, that they can judge them on all walks of life, and that's the reason that juries come very cherry picked by us. हर साल we have a different set of juries.
जौहरी की तरह एक हीरो को तराशा, ऐसा जौहरी की तरह एक हीरो को तराशा और डिफरेंट स्टेट डिफरेंट सिटीज से आपने यहाँ बुलाया, सर उसके लिए आपका कॉन्टेक्ट क्या रहा, कैसे आपको कॉन्टेक्ट किया?
सो डिजिटल वर्ल्ड काफ़ी बड़ा हो चुका है और इसी डिजिटल वर्ल्ड के माध्यम से हम इन हज़ारों की तादाद में लोगों से तक पहुंचते हैं, और हम ये भी देखते हैं कि इनके कारण ही हम यहाँ तक पहुंच सके, और इनके कारण ही हम इनको डिजिटल वर्ल्ड के थ्रू इंस्टाग्राम और सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू इनको ढूंढते हैं और यहाँ तक इनकी जर्नी कंप्लीट होती है।
मैम, किस तरह से आपका सपोर्ट करता है सबको, इससे बड़ी इवेंट जैसे सॉलिडरिटी, किस
परिमल के लिए सपोर्ट मेरा हमेशा ही है। ये इंडस्ट्री इतनी बड़ी है कि यहाँ पे ना दिन देखा जाता है ना रात देखी जाती है। तो आई ऑलवेज विथ हिम, आई एम ऑलवेज सपोर्टिंग हिम। उसे जो एक अचीव करना है उसके लिए आई एम ऑलवेज।
Next is a lot. Next is a lot to show the whole world that we have different things coming up. Very soon we are coming up with another big IP और इसका announcement हम जल्दी करेंगे. अभी के लिए we want to celebrate the success of the people who are here, my winners who have done a long way and have done everything to make sure that they've reached till here. जल्दी आप इसको एक OTT पे देखेंगे जिसका हम नाम अनाउंस जल्दी मीडिया में करने वाले हैं. तो वी आर वेरी हैप्पी कि इस साल का जो शूट था वो OTT के लिए बहुत सक्सेसफुल रहा और ये सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स OTT पे आपको दिखेंगे जल्द से.
इनके लिए क्या प्रोसेस रहेगा इसके बाद जर्नी इनकी क्या होगी?
सॉरी, इनकी जर्नी अब ग्लैमर इंडस्ट्री में हम और आगे लेके जाएंगे उनको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट क्षेत्रों में. जैसे हमारे पहले साल के सीजन में हमारे पास ऐसे लोग थे जो आज के दिन में MTV रोडीज से लेके सीरियल्स में सब जगह जा चुके हैं. सो एक्टिंग, मॉडलिंग, इन सब क्षेत्रों में हम इनको प्रमोट करेंगे और इनको आगे ले जाएंगे.
Event. So this is my first time I attended this event, OMG, and the contestants were amazing. Yeah, such great talent, and I hope them all the best, and I wish them to see in much bigger and bigger and bigger platforms. Thank you. Thank you.
यार लगे रहो, बहुत बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है. मेहनत करो, कहीं ना कहीं पहुंचेगी, लेके जाएगी अच्छी जगह.
And we would congratulations Parimal sir. Very good event. Very good. Done?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Silent guys, whole event were part of it. कैसा लगा? कितना बढ़िया रहा event आपके?
Well, OMG is Parimal Smeta's baby, and I have been styling a lot of shoots with Parimal, the blank canvas. So I'm like a family to them, and I'm super happy. The winners are superb. What I have seen little because I came little late, so sorry for that. But the winners are superb, and they're gonna do wonderful in their future, coming future. Well, this is a very good platform for all the newcomers because they get grooming, they get everything under one roof where they get trained for their walk, for their etiquette, for their manners, for their styling. I think that this platform gives them a standing for the future.
India's biggest talent teacher talent show. क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस campus talent show?
Well, it's such an honor to work with OMG and it's a Parimal and Blank Canvas. We've been associated with them for season and we are so proud of all the winners. They all were amazing.
OMG season 3 इस बार बहुत ही बड़ा था, आप सब लोग ने देखा ही. एंड हम लोग बहुत ग्रेटफुल है परिमल मेहता से और ब्लैंक कैनवस टीम से कि हमें अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया बीइंग द स्टाइलिस्ट ऑन बोर्ड. एंड बहुत मज़ा आया लुकिंग एट ऑल द कंटेस्टेंट्स. सारे कंटेस्टेंट इतने प्यारे थे, इतने दे गिव अ टफ फाइट टू वन अनदर. और क्या चाहिए. So we are really happy and it is surely a grand success looking at everyone's smiles and the energy. Thank you so much for having us. Thank you so much.